There's a few reasons I like this place. It's just a walk from my place, for a start. But also, if you ignore the 8 degrees and the sound of planes and the constant joggers and the fact that in reality I'm surrounded by towns and the city just there, this reminds me of Costa Rica a little bit. It could be anywhere. So if you're wondering about that waterfall in inverted commas, this is that's the overflow channel for the Thames, which is right there. When we get high tides, they can be really high, especially at full moon, obviously. And so there's a floodplain over there. It's really wonderful habitat for wildlife. So the levels rise and fall quite drastically. When it's up like this, it's prime kingfisher territory, and I'm really hoping that I can find one for us, add it to the channel species count. In the meantime, I'll share with you some photographs that I've taken of kingfisher here previously. Although I'm not adding kingfisher to the channel count because I have to see them while I'm filming for the channel. We'll find them and then we'll add them. gorgeous start to the day. It's listening to robins, great tits, parakeets. I'm listening to a robin now, I hope you can hear it. But I haven't seen one for long enough to film or photograph, so it's not being added. None of them are being added to the species count. Of course, we've already got parakeet. But it's Sunday morning and the towpath's getting very busy with joggers now, so I'm going to call it a day. But thank you so much for watching, and please do give the video a like if you liked it, and please subscribe as well. And if you switch on the notifications, you'll be able to join me for the next one. I'll see you then.